how to connect a PlayStation Portal to TV, and if this is even possible. So the PlayStation Portal does not support the TV output since it does not have any HDMI ports, USB-C video outputs, screencasting or display mirroring isn't available, nor is there dock support. So the USB-C you find in your PlayStation Portal is only for charging, of course, and not really for video. So the PlayStation Portal is designed as a remote play handheld, not a console. It streams games from your PS5 and it already has its own built-in screen. Sony expects TV play to be done directly on the PS5, and since your PS5 is already used on your PlayStation Portal, then it's pretty much just going back to where you came from if you are doing this method. So what you can do instead is to use your PS5 normally, one of the best options. So if you want to play on a TV, turn on your PS5 and connect it to your TV. And instead of using the PlayStation Portal, just use your normal controller. Another option is to use remote play on another device. You can use PS Remote Play on a PC or laptop and then connect that device to your TV using an HDMI or any kind of mirroring option. Smartphone or tablet as well, or a smart TV if it supports remote play apps. And still, this does not involve the PlayStation Portal itself. But again, you cannot connect a PlayStation Portal to a TV since it's strictly a handheld remote play device, and if you want big screen gaming, you use your PS5 directly or remote play on another device that supports TV output. But that's pretty much an explanation on this little topic that you look for. So hopefully the information can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.